afternoon, everyone. The following are the results for today's bidding, May 20, 2025. Contract ID 25GJ0049 Riyadh. This is for the construction of road with Rivets, Barangay Punong Lapos, Iloilo City, Iloilo, with an ABC of 4,950,000. Name of bidders: 5S Construction and Supply. Bid amount 4,940,023 pesos and 22 centavos. Remarks: pass. Alca Structure Construction Services Corporation. Bid amount 4,945,455 pesos and 78 centavos. Remarks: pass. Results of this bidding will be subject for post-evaluation. For contract ID number 25GJ0054 Riyadh, this is for the construction of flood mitigation structure, construction of flood control structure along Bachano River, Section 2, Iloilo City. ABC is 96,500,000. Bidders: Luis Builders. Amount 96,490,042 pesos and 43 centavos. Remarks: pass. Ruprim Construction Corporation. Bid amount 96,450,183 pesos and 10 centavos. Remarks: pass. Woodland Construction and Supply Incorporated. Failed. Insufficient required minimum major equipment requirement as indicated in ITB 10.5 and Supplemental Bid Bulletin number 1. For IBC International Builders Corporation, failed. Incorrect bill of quantities, item numbers and description as indicated in Supplemental Bid Bulletin number 2. AD Pendon Construction and Construction Supply Incorporated. Bid amount 96,489,772 pesos and 72 centavos. Remarks: pass. F. Gorea Construction Incorporated. Bid amount 96,449,426 pesos and 12 centavos less 10,000. Final bid amount is 96,439,426 pesos and 12 centavos. Remarks: pass. Results of this bidding will be subject for post-evaluation. For contract ID number 25GJ0058, this is for the construction of school buildings E. Juntado Elementary School, Iloilo City, with an ABC of 19,900,000. Bidders: Luis Builders. Bid amount is 19,880,003 pesos and 25 centavos. Remarks: pass. AMD Engineering Construction Supply. Failed. Lacking item for plumbing lacking item number description of as indicated in Supplemental Bid Bulletin number 1 for items 1200-2-C oscillating fan, ceiling fan, and item 1201-1 water pumping system. Abilardi Builders and Supply. Failed. Incorrect bill of quantities, quantities and description as indicated in Supplemental Bid Bulletin number 1. Results of this bidding will be subject for post-evaluation.
Since no more questions and clarification, I hereby declare that this bid opening is closed.